Whether you're sourcing for a cotton rope storage basket factory, manufacturer, exporter, or wholesaler, we often hear the saying, outsiders look at the price, insiders look at quality. At first glance, all cotton rope storage baskets may seem alike, but the prices can vary dramatically. However, the real secret isn't in what meets the eye, it's concealed in the choice of the inner filling material. Most manufacturers opt for nonwoven fabric cores, a type of fiber material typically composed of synthetic fibers like polypropylene and polyester. This material is usually thin and offers good breathability but lacks elasticity, which means it doesn't easily bounce back and is prone to tearing. Over time, it can deform significantly, making it less durable. But here's where we stand apart. We use thermal cotton, a filling material primarily made from natural cotton fibers. Through a process of high-temperature air blowing and expansion, the cotton fibers swell, making the filling more voluminous and resilient while retaining a high level of elasticity. This allows it to better maintain its shape and structure, resisting deformation and remaining durable even after multiple washes. And most importantly, thermal cotton is an eco-friendly choice. While you enjoy top-quality performance, you're also showing your concern for the future of our planet. So, next